turkey hunting season.
Well, we are headed out for what morning?
Turkey opening.
What turkey opening?
Juvenile.
Youth Hunt. And we are headed over to see if we can find the Gobble Gobble. We need him to fire off this morning and hammer down and come to our calls, and we'll shoot him in the face, won't we?
Yeah.
Y'all gonna shoot straight?
Oh yeah.
No misses?
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, so we pulled over here on a high location and I hoot like an owl to try and locate them while they're still on the roost. That's when they gobble the most. And then we will make an advancement towards them and try to set up closer to them after we locate them. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's go get him. After what, about 45-minute creek crosses, we encountered a flooded creek that we can normally walk across, and we had to, fortunately we had one pair of waders, so I took the kids across on my shoulders. But there was these birds gobbling back up here across the creek, and so we knew we needed to get across the creek. And they hammered like 300 yards away, and there was two different sets of birds. There was one on one side, one on the other side. We're like, oh yeah, this is good. So we just threw this blind up in a hurry. This is this famous Steve Grace bow blind. Mm-hmm. Go look at it. Should we try for another one?
Yes.
All right, go get him, girl. So we had two decoys out right here about 20 yards out, and the birds came up over here and would have come right up this flat spot here, but they saw the blind right here and went back down and kind of circled around us, making it a little hard to see them. Oh, the joy of walking up on your turkey. Go get him, Bren. Go get him. Get his old jelly head. He's deader than a hammer. He must have clobbered his head. Go get him. Get that big old turkey. Look at them hooks. Ooh, baby. Look at them hooks, girl. Nice looking bird. Real pretty 2-year-old.
Let's see.
Look at this jelly head.
That's a two-bearded, Dad.
No, I think it's just one. I think it's just a one beard. Just a nice 2-year-old bird. Are you happy, girl?
Yeah.
Good shooting. Look at that head. That head is just jellied. She put it right on him, and he's just a big old bunch of jelly head. Yeah, show me that tail fan. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, let's take him back and get up by the blind in case another turkey comes. I am splitting off, pushing the wings here, the thighs, and spreading them out of my way, and exposing these large breasts. These are a couple pounds a piece right here. Cutting the food sack loose here at the top. Pushing it down out of the way. If shot correctly, it shouldn't have a lot of blood and BBs. It should be real nice, clean meat. This one's shot pretty good. Bryn, grab me one of them bags and open it up. And then you start right here at the breast plate, this little knob. And you split down, fillet the bottom right here. Your turkey finger, like your chicken finger, is right here. This little piece right here is your most tender turkey finger. So if you leave too much on the bone here, you're wasting your best meat.
Oh, that comes off easy.
Yep, it's actually pretty easy to get out.
It's huge.
It's a big old chunk of meat. Get a few excess feathers and throw them away, and Actually, a big old fillet of meat.
Huge.
We'll do a little bit of cleaning. We'll trim a little bit of this silver skin and fat stuff off. One side.
My turkey.
Is that your turkey?
Yeah, I shot the turkey.
David don't.
Did you get dinner for us?
Yep.
Couple meals there.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good job.
Yeah.
Davey, you got one? Let me see your turkey meat.
Hold
Getting
it.
home your dinner? Colt. Colty. What's going on?
We just got a big old turkey fired up down here right past the cabin. We're going to go get him.
You heard him?
Yeah, 2 of them. So me and my cousin are going. We're going to try to shoot him.
Are you going too? All right, good.
Those got away from us, but there's always the hunt tomorrow. Get out there and start hunting. Thanks for watching Miller Wildfire.